Hello guys, we have a question here that says when the light of frequency 2V0 where V0 is threshold frequency is incident on a metal plate, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted is V1. Okay, the maximum velocity emitted is V1. Write it down. When the frequency of the incident radiation is increased to 5V0, the maximum velocity of electron emitted from the same plate is V2. So we have to find the ratio of V1 to V2. Okay, so let's move to the solution. As here is it is written, the answer is 3. Okay, that is 1 ratio 2 but pi. So from photoelectric equation, that is H mu naught, okay, equals to, sorry, H mu equals to H mu naught plus 1 by 2 half mb square, sorry, half mb square plus half mb square. Okay, so HV is equals to 2h nu equals to h nu naught, sorry, h 2h nu naught plus 1 by 2 half m, sorry, plus half mb square. Okay, so we cancel the following h v naught from this. We get the equation 1, that is half mb square, half mv1 square equals to h nu naught. Similarly with the v2, okay, we get half mv2 square equals to h mu naught. So from 1 and 2 we get v1 square by v2 square equals to 1 by 4. Then after simplifying it, we get v1 by v2 equals to 1 ratio 2. That is our option number 3.